गुड मॉर्निंग क्लास 5 सब्जेक्ट जीके टॉपिक एग्री और डिसएग्री. So children, today I will discuss the 8th chapter in your GK book, agree or disagree. Agree or disagree means agree यानी सहमत है या disagree असहमत है इस बात से. ठीक है. So tick in the box if you agree. अगर आप एग्री हैं तो राइट का टिक लगेगा और क्रॉस टिक इफ़ यू डू नॉट एग्री. अगर किसी बात से एग्री नहीं तो उस पर आपका क्या लगेगा, क्रॉस टिक लगेगा विद द फॉलोइंग स्टेटमेंट्स. सो इफ़ एन एनिमल्स हैड अ ड्राई स्किन एंड इज बोर्न ऑन लैंड इट्स रेप्टाइल. राइट. Second है hares have longer legs and ears than rabbits. Right. Third है bacterian camels have only one hump. Wrong. Fourth है penguins use their wings as paddles in the water. Right. Fifth, Geckos are small lizards that can walk upside down. Correct. Sixth, mud skippers cannot survive more than 5 years in the wild. Wrong. Seventh, some of the great white sharks' teeth are longer than your fingers. Right. Eighth, the Portuguese man was a kind of fish. Right. Ninth है worker bees collect nectar and pollen from flowers. Right. 10th है crabs have 10 legs. Right. 11th है the fennec fox lives in water. Wrong. 12th the camel's stomach has 3 chambers. Wrong. 13th है a grasshopper's singing is called stridulation. Right. 4th skunks and stinkpot turtle give off foul smell. Right. Okay. So children, this chapter is complete now and this chapter is write in your copy and fill up the book also. Okay.